Hey guys, how's it going? Gaming Ninja here. I got a quick tutorial for y'all today. It's actually how to connect your Xbox or your gaming system to your mobile cell phone's mobile hotspot. Like, let's say that you guys don't have any internet at home. You might have not been able to pay the bill. There might be an outage somewhere, but yet you still have a cell phone. Most likely it has the mobile hotspot feature. So all you would have to do is just, of course, power up the feature and connect it to your Xbox. But the question is how to do it. Not everybody knows how to do it. Some people know about it, but some people are also skeptical. So I'll even show you guys that it works. Don't get me wrong, give or take, there might be a chance, like your service or your area that you're in, little factors might be involved. But regardless, I can show you that it works. First things first, make sure your Xbox is powered on. If it has the Connect to Xbox Live pulled up, you can click on that, or you can pull it up manually. Go to Settings. Come on. There you go. Go ahead and go to Network Settings. As you can see that I had no internet connected at all. So we're going to go ahead and do this. Go to Setup Wireless Network like you would do at any Wi-Fi. And then it's going to ask which one's yours. We can all see which one is mine. I have a Samsung Galaxy S8 phone, yes. Of course, I'm Gaming Ninja, so that's obviously me. I'm going to go ahead and punch in my password, because honestly, I have a password set up on mine. I don't want anyone hacking my system. That, and I would suggest you guys put a password on if you don't have a password. Granted, it's easier. You don't have to worry about punching in a password, but it helps keep other people from getting on your Wi-Fi, and then you're going to be drowned. You'll lag like crazy. And it shows that it's good. Okay, but now, just because it says that it's good, doesn't always mean that it's good. I mean, it shows that it has a moderate type, but it says all services are available. So let's go ahead and check it out. Go back to the home screen. And you can see that we're connected to Live. It has all the options available for gold or whatever feature that you have whenever you have Xbox Live. But the real question is, does it work for gaming? So let's pop into this. Destiny 2. This one, to me, you really need internet for this one, obviously. It's always internet related. You run into people from across the world playing the game. It's got all the different multiplayer things. And plus the maps are really, really immense. So to me, you're going to need all that high-speed data in order to catch up with the maps and not lag. Let's pop it in. Okay, now it's finally giving me the option to go ahead and choose my character. There we go. My character is loaded up. Don't get me wrong, depending on like maybe your house or wherever you're at, your phone plan, what your carrier is, your LTE or whatever it may be. See, now it's offering me to go ahead and buy Shadowkeep. I don't have Shadowkeep yet, but I'll be getting that soon. And the Season Pass. Okay, so now I have the option to go ahead and choose a mission. Let's go find us a mission, because I promised you guys that I'd show you that it works. There we go. Let's go try a public event. Public events, to me, shows that you're interacting with everybody, and then also at the same time, like I said, the maps are crazy big. The maps are almost like endless whenever you're on Destiny. You have to go look look for stuff, find things, kill people at the same time. The monsters are crazy. The graphics are awesome. Let's go ahead and add it. Okay, there you have it. We're at the map. Just got to find the spot where it's supposed to be. Okay guys, we're here at the spot where the public event's supposed to be. We're gonna rally the flag. Okay, so you guys can see there's another player around me. Where'd he go? Just saved him. He's right there. Okay, the event's complete. Looks like another player showed up. Got the prize.
We're too much for them. They're running.
See? Too much. Alright, now that you guys saw that it works for Destiny, let's try another game. So let's go home. Pop this disc out. See now another one, Halo. Halo has really big maps. To me, honestly, it's also a first-person shooter game. First-person shooter games always require a lot of high speed. And then, like I said, you don't want to be lagging. So let's go see if it works. Connecting to the live service. Shows the news, just like it did in Destiny. I'm not really worried about that. We're worried about gaming. So let's go to social. Social is, of course, across the world. So let me see. Let's try a quick play. See what we got here. It's contacting the server. It's already found people. And it's loading the game. Countdown.
Slayer.
Okay guys, let's go. Ho ho ho! I'm not having any lagging issues at all. Actually, the stream quality seems to be pretty good. Oh well, our team lost, but there you have it. It works on both games. And honestly, I've used it many times. It works for me pretty much no matter what. The only time that I'll ever have any problems is, like I said, if you go over your data or your allowance pretty much that your carrier offers you. If it's like 20 gigabytes, 10 gigabytes, you gotta be careful. Try not to watch too many videos. If you do, I mean, maybe a few every once in a while is fine, but don't watch videos and movies using your hotspot. Use your phone. Use your phone. That's all I have for today. I hope this video helped you. At least now you have some insight on what it's like to be able to game with your mobile hotspot. At least now you know that it works, guys. It really does work. So if you like what you saw, please click that like button, subscribe, leave a comment down at the bottom. Stay gaming, my ninjas.